Hi, welcome back, and the most awaited another parcel is out here. So I'm very excited for this one. Actually, among all the other one, I was more excited for this one. Let me grab it. This is the one that I was been waiting for long. Not sure if you can see that tripod. Yeah. As you can see, this is 29.5-inch monitor. So I'm definitely not gonna ask for you guys to guess on the what product it is, as it's already saying. I'm not sure if you can see the entire part. So yeah, this is the monitor part. Let's try to open. They have given some extra packet out there. I'm not sure what this is. There is something inside it. Oh, it's a bill. Okay, I think it's a receipt. Maybe warranty and guarantee cards. So let me look into that later. I think this is gonna be a little bit extra for this desk. I'm thinking so. So this is what it is. Let me try opening this. Let me go grab a knife. Hello. Hi, I'm back with my scissor. So okay. There's wires and stuff. Stand and charger. Woohoo! Oh, this is crazy. Looks stunning. And this lightings out here, which gives really good look. It's on the other side. So that's why it is always important to watch review videos, so you'll be knowing what items are missing. So I have the stand. It looks like the cutter. And let me open the stand. This is the only disappointment for me because it's too sharp. Yet desktop it won't give me the much space to keep my whatever the other part is. So this should go inside. Oh, this is best part. See, I've never seen something like this. Instead of screwdriver, they have given something like this, and the handle. You can hold that handle and you can tighten it up. Wow. I'm not sure if you can see it properly or not. Yeah, I think it's seen for now. Yeah. So they've given something like this. You can just tighten it up like this. Oh, this is the best invention ever. Okay, this is done. The desktop looks chic. It's 29.5-inch. I think looks perfect out here. I've got my Ayuda. Oh, I think I've got all my Ayudas before the Ayuda Puja. Yes. It has logged in. Not sure if you can see it properly. So this is how it looks now. So this is how the back side of it looks. So it's chic, it moves like almost in all angles, even up and down as well. Okay. And I will have to adjust it something like this. This looks gigantic. I know in video it is looking not that big, but it is almost like one arm. So it's exactly one arm. It's that big, this big, dude. Video gotagala, but that's exactly how it's looking. So let me wire this and then get back. Ignore my messy face, I don't care. I've just woken up and I've just sat for work. So they've given it in a tightly pack, and I think I need oh, what are the screws for? They've given some screw sets for wire, more wire, and more wire, and an Acer call center car numbers and their booklets and their instructions or something. User guide. Okay. There's a user guide and there's a call center number. So this is what all that I've received for now, and I also have received the charger, which is also white, which I love. I hate anything that's dark. So charger, okay. I think I have the. This is the charger part, and this is the charger part. Let me not speak to myself in a low voice. I am just getting used to this, speaking louder. So in front of camera, which is not so me. I have to refer to the user manual guide and then I have to fit this in. Let me turn this on and then get back to you. I'm excited, guys. So let me grab my personal laptop. To your surprise, even my personal laptop is of like pearl white. So as I told you, I'm very much not into dark colors. So everything that I like is only of light colors and bright colors. So let it turn on. I'm really excited. Yes, I'm very happy and very grateful for the universe because this hasn't happened for last 5 years. It has happened all of a sudden. I'm very happy. I don't know how to express. And ignore my messy hair. I haven't even combed my hair. I haven't even brushed my teeth yet, but I'm making this video. Yeah, I'm very happy, guys. I'm very happy. And just in case if you guys want a link of all of it that I've bought for my workspace all together at once, then comment down in the video so I can give you the link of all the products. I think I can give you the best review because as a really invested, this is really expensive, guys. Actually, this actual cost of this is like around 35,000. So, but I got it at a very good discount price. I'll let you know all the price details later. So let's dive in for now. The pixel of this is okay. It's nice. It's decent.
Introducing Grammarly, like you've never seen before. Your all-in-one writing essential. Ready for whatever hat you put on. It works like this.
The quality is crazy, guys. I do. Enough. Static. This is static. So the color will be same. This is flashing. So there's a variety of other options that we have. So this is one option that we hold and it just keeps blinking. So on entirely screen wall see there's a lot of difference, almost like half of my hand is to gap between. If in case if you keep this more near to the wall, so let's see the next option what we have now. So flashing a little bit and this is mark U, that means it just fades and it just picks the next color. Static and breathing, which is like slow, dull off, and it picks up the, and this picks static and this both have only one color, that is blue. So it's like this. It is really cool and it's really, I think it is worth money. Ivaga ನಾನು ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೈಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ನಾನು ಲೈಟಿಂಗ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಐವ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಲೈಕ್ 2 weeks or 3 weeks now. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ತುಂಬ ಲೇಟಾಗಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಚೆಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ everything I wanted to check. So color kuda options we have static if you want only blue, or if you want purple, see the color changed to purple now. So if I pick it up a different color, for an example I have white, so now white is changing. So whatever the static or breathing that you have of a single color, so you can pick whatever you want. Now it is red, so it is good. So idu breathing akirodinda, so this is also, it's good. And if I go back to and change from breathing to what flashing, you'll see the color difference, right? So this is how is my monitor is, and it is totally worth it of the amount that I've paid, I feel, because now it's almost 2 weeks and more I've been using this for now. Now this video only the night lighting video mado time nalli, so it is worth it, guys. Go ahead and pick it up if you're looking for a monitor to buy. it's worth it. Performance is good, and I think it's thumbs up from my end. You can just go and book this if you have the budget of like 15k and above. So yeah. So this was me and my monitor of 29.5 inch, and it is really cool to have a monitor, and it's worth it. And trust me, it's worth it for me. ನನ್ನ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, and yeah, ಯಾರ್ಯಾರಿಗೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಧ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯೋ, and if they're looking for a good review, I have this monitor for you guys, which is budget friendly. I think you'll get a much pretty reasonable price ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಕೂಡ for other options, but size ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, and ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿಲಿ ನೀವು ಕಾಂಪ್ರಮೈಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. But this comes with both. I think it's with a decent price and also with great quality, and yeah, it's good. And for more such video or more such not such kind of videos, please follow me. Okay, ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಿಗ್ತೀನಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಚಚಾ, bye bye, and take care. And hey, please subscribe ಮಾಡ್ರೋ. Yeah, okay, fine, bye bye.